What's up, friends? Have you ever struggled with HTML programming language? If yes, please keep watching this video without skip any second. We will learn a simple and efficient method to master HTML in just 5 minutes. Firstly, as definition, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the full words of HTML. This HTML is used to create a web page. That is the main role or main importance of HTML. And also can be defined as the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. This is other alternative definition of HTML. Its role is to define structure and content of web documents using tags and attributes to format text, embedded images, create links, and build interactive elements. So this is the main role of HTML, to define the structure of content of web documents using tags and attributes, or to format text, embedded image, create links, and build interactive elements. So this is the general introduction of HTML, right? Then these are the main topics to master about HTML, what you want to do in order to master about HTML. You have to put into your mind that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the first one. The second one, HTML is a standard markup language for creating web page, right? And also, HTML describes the structure of web pages, right? Yeah, HTML also consists of series of elements. And also, HTML elements tell the web browser how to display the content. And also, HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is the heading, this is the paragraph, this is links, etc. Means that HTML is a simple language that try to label or tell the users or computer the kind of content, like this is heading, this is paragraph, this is links. So these are the main topic you have to master to keep in your mind about HTML. Okay, hopefully you have good understanding now about HTML, its definition and its importance and role, of course. So we will start out class next by answering any question you have about this topic, and I really invite you to watch the next video where we'll discuss deeply about the syntax of HTML. So thank you for watching this video. See you in next one.